Hi, it's Mary. Welcome to the Paper Turtle and welcome to my disaster area. Oh my goodness. I'm starting a new series. This is going to be a Take Back My Room series where I'm going to clean up, organize, declutter, and take back my room. You've seen my room before. This is the state it's in right now, and it's bad. I have put myself on a buying freeze. I'm not bringing anything else into this room until I get this mess cleaned up and organized. I'm not going to give you a detailed tour of the room because the furniture, the layout, and all that stuff, nothing has changed. It's just become more cluttered. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a series of videos documenting the cleanup of my room. This is the introduction video. I will have a playlist, and all you have to do is just start the playlist and you'll go through them. They're going to be short videos, and it's going to be one thing at a time until the room is done. What done means, I don't know. I'll know when I get there. So let me just start and show you what I hope to accomplish in this series. This is walking into the door of my room. That's a trash bag. Never mind that. That's not usually there. I haven't been cleaning, but that's from a haul, from my last haul that I videoed. Just the trash and stuff. So over here on the right is my cart. I've already kind of done the cart. I didn't put the video up, I don't think, because it didn't come out that great. But it's kind of sort of organized. I'm not worried about it right now. That's not my focus. My focus is mainly getting the stuff up off the floor again and clearing up the clutter in, where's my finger, in this cabinet here and this cabinet over here, hopefully. Well, and other places too. So I'm going to show you. One thing I want to get is stuff up off the floor. I have oversized books that I need to find a home for. I have Happy Mail I have to put away. Thank you, Sonia. And by the way, if I haven't already shown it, which I may have, Sonia made me, where is she? That Raggedy Ann doll. Isn't that awesome? She's so cute. She has a place of honor right up there watching over everything I do. This area needs to be cleaned up because I want to be able to get into the cabinet. If I want to go in the cabinet right now, I have to move all of this stuff, get what I want out of the cabinet, and put all this stuff back. So what is this stuff? Well, this bag, this green bag right here, where is it? This one is normally my haul bag. When I bring things in from the thrift stores and the estate sales, I put them in that bag. When that bag is full, I do a haul video. After the last haul video, where I declared I'm not doing any more for a while, I put all these binders, and there's other things in there. These are organizational things that I have been accumulating. I just put them in there they were all piled up over here, just to get them out of the way. So that will be gone throughout the course of the organizing. These things are empty boxes, all ready for whatever new home. This pile of stuff, I have no idea. I don't know what it is. I have to go through it and figure that out. Oh my God. I want to clean out this whole thing so that I can display things nicely, such as my milk bottle with my white buttons in it. Isn't that pretty? And this, this was my grandmother's coffee pot, and I have my awls in it. But you can't really see anything because it's so cluttered. I organized all my beads and stuff one day. I was so proud of myself. They're under the cabinet, under there. But since then, I've brought more in. And guess what? They're all sitting right here. They need to be put in with the other ones. Little projects, all these little more organization things. I need to figure out what to do with these punches because they don't fit in my punch storage, which is full, and which has overflowed to over here. Crazy. It's crazy. So too much stuff. Then going this way, put this stuff on the floor. Oh my gosh. So this bag right here is, look at this. I can't even close my drawers. I don't know what's blocking it. That bag is buttons to go to my mom's. This bag, I think, is jars of buttons to put together for yard sale. I have this bag full of strips of fabric from a chindi rug from, I don't know, 5 years ago, maybe. It needs a better home. I hardly ever use it. Junk. These are journal covers that I have started. Didn't get anywhere with. This was the start of an organization project that stalled. Look at this mess. Oh my God. I don't even know what to do with it all. Let me show you something. My cards. I may have shown you this before. I don't know. Oh, my playing cards. That box. Let's see if I can give you a better view. That box and the box on top of it. And all of these are my playing cards. Now, I had gone through them a while back and organized and divided them between ones I want to keep and ones that I will junk journal with. And that's those two boxes. I don't know which is which, though. But since then, I've accumulated all of these. Oh my God. It's too much, you guys. It's way too much. Look at this mess. This thing over here, I don't mind. I like it, actually. And I'm not doing anything with my paper, my 12 by 12 paper. That's it. That's where it lives. That's where it's going to stay. It's not a problem for me. There's a few cubbies that need to be cleaned out and reorganized, and I might be able to create some space. But that'll be a singular project. So I have all these projects to hopefully clean and organize this room. I'm going to start, I think, yes, I have to start with my table. This isn't anything extra. This is all part of my craft table. See if I can get a better view of it here. See? So I have my workspace, which I keep clean unless I'm working on something for the most part, because that's where I work. I have to have a place to work. But everything gets piled up over here. All the current projects, leftovers from the projects, I've got stamps from a haul that I sorted. You'll see that haul if it's not already up. I don't know if it's up or not. But it was a cigar box that I found in a barn or a garage or something. And it was full of stamps and envelopes, and I went through it. And these are all the stamps, just the stamps that were in there. And they all have to be soaked. They're very dirty, but there's a lot of good stamps in there. And then in that box were these stamp mounts. Let me see if I can show you what they are. These things. You put the stamps in them. There's just like a little protective thing to put into your stamp album. A whole bunch of them in there. So those will come in handy for my collection. But those don't belong there. They belong out in the other room. And just stuff. Just so much stuff. See my turkey feathers? Aren't those cool? We went to a farm that's a state park one day. And they have a little gift shop. And they have turkey feathers from the turkeys that are on the farm. They were like 50 cents each. So I had to buy some. They're so awesome. I was going to put them in a junk journal. But they're huge. They won't fit. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them. So anyway, this is my project. This is what I'm starting. This is day 1. And check the playlist. And you can follow me through this journey. Hopefully I finish it. So that I can get back to bringing in more junk. No, actually the purpose is not to be able to bring in more junk. The purpose is to be able to find it and use it. That's what the purpose is. I'm going to be using all of this stuff. Yep, I am. I sure am. All right. So wish me luck, and we'll see how this goes. Check out the next video. See you then. Bye.